Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelato base. First, gather your high-quality ingredients, including whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and a touch of dextrose. We will discuss the precise measurements needed to achieve that perfect creamy consistency. Understanding the role of each component is key to a successful base. Let's dive into the process of combining these elements for an authentic Italian treat. Achieving the right balance of ingredients is crucial for a smooth gelato. Aim for approximately 60% whole milk and 20% heavy cream to get that luxurious mouthfeel. Incorporate about 18% sugar, with a portion being dextrose, which helps with scoopability and prevents ice crystals. Whisk everything together until fully dissolved before you even think about turning on the heat. This ensures a homogeneous mixture. Now, it's time to gently heat your mixture. Slowly bring the base up to 85 degrees Celsius, which pasteurizes the ingredients and ensures safety. Remember to stir continuously to avoid any scorching on the bottom of your pan. For an even smoother, more emulsified texture, consider using an immersion blender for a minute or two once it reaches temperature. This step is vital for a professional quality gelato. After heating, rapidly chill your gelato base down to 4 degrees Celsius. This quick cooling is important for food safety and helps improve the texture. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator to age for at least 12 hours, or ideally, 24 hours. This aging process allows the fats to crystallize and the proteins to hydrate, resulting in a much smoother, richer gelato. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.